Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by F W Martindale in 1876. You can see that white's up 4 points, but there is a single move where white can now get a checkmate in 2. Any other moves will be a checkmate in 3 or worse. So let's have a look. You take the rook with the queen, and the black can block with the knight. Then you can move the knight in, but the king still has an escape square. And then you can move down to get the checkmate in 3, but not a checkmate in 2. You check the king with the knight, and then the rook takes it. The queen can then take the rook. Then that can be blocked by the black knight. You can move in with the rook and then get a checkmate in 3 like this, but not a checkmate in 2. If you create a check with the knight can take it, and then you can trade off the queens. White's in a better position, but you don't get the checkmate in 2. If you move the queen down to c6 and black takes it with the rook, you can then actually get a checkmate in 2. But all black needs to do instead of taking the queen is to block the queen with the knight, and then that's not possible. Okay, so the solution to this checkmate in 2 puzzle is to actually move the queen down to h1. If black tries to push the pawn forwards, you can take the knight to checkmate in 2, or move the knight up to g4. Black tries to move the knight to d3, you can just take it with your knight for the checkmate in 2. If black pushes c4, you can just move the bishop in to checkmate the king in 2. If black decides to take the bishop with the rook, you can just move the knight in, checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, it really help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.